Ready to ditch the cookie-cutter charts and graphs and unleash your inner data artist? Then buckle up, because this is your express ticket to mastering custom visualizations in Looker Studio. First, let's get the lay of the land. Open your Looker Studio report. We are going to click Edit in the upper right-hand corner to enter into editing mode. Now, the magic starts with the Add a Chart button. Click this to reveal a world of visualization options. You'll see the standard charts, but scroll down, and that's where the real treasure lies. Look for community visualizations and components and click Explore More. This is your gateway to a universe of custom visuals built by the Looker Studio community. The gallery is filled with pre-built custom visualizations. To play it safe, you can filter to certified visuals. These have been vetted by Google. Pick one that sparks your interest. I am going to pick a radar chart. Click Add to Report and grant any necessary access permissions. Now, position and resize your new visualization just like any other chart. You can drag and drop it into place and adjust its size to fit your dashboard. The key to making it sing is configuring the data in the Properties panel on the right. Assign the appropriate dimensions and metrics to the chart settings. Each visual will have different options. Explore the customization options. Most visuals offer options for colors, labels, axes, and more. Tweak these settings to perfectly match your brand and reporting needs. And there you have it. You've successfully integrated a custom visualization into your Looker Studio report, transforming your data into something truly unique and engaging. Now go forth and create amazing dashboards.